Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm going to show you how to build your first landing page inside Kajabi. First, what is a landing page? A landing page is a standalone page where you send people when you want them to do something specific. It's not your homepage. It's not a blog. It's a focused page with one clear goal, like signing up for a freebie, buying a product, joining your email list. Think of a landing page like a digital sales rep. It works for you 24/7, explaining your offer and guiding people to the next step. Now here's how you build one. Step 1, from your Kajabi dashboard, click Website on the left-hand side. Then click Pages. Now click New Page. Step 2, Kajabi will show you templates. If you're selling something, choose a sales page or a landing page template. You don't need to overthink the template. Pick something simple and clean, because your words and your offer matter more than fancy design. Step 3. Once you select your template, Kajabi will open a draft page with different blocks. A block is just a section of your page, like headline block, the main title; text block, paragraphs explaining your offer; image block, pictures of your product or yourself; button block, where people click to buy or sign up. Step 4. Start editing your blocks. Headline: make it clear what you're offering. Example: grow your audience in 30 days without paid ads. Subheadline: one sentence explaining the result or benefit. Example: get the exact story scripts I used to grow to 10K followers. Body text: focus on the benefits, not just the features. Example: instead of saying 5 videos, say, learn how to close sales in your DMs in under 5 minutes. Button: this is the most important part. Your button needs to be clear, like, download now, join the program, get instant access, link the button to an offer. This is how people pay and get access. Step 5. Customize your branding. Change colors, fonts, and add your photos so it matches your vibe. Kajabi makes it easy. Just click and edit. Step 6. Save and preview your page. Double-check it. Does it make it clear what you're offering? Is there a strong button telling people what to do? When you're happy, click Publish, and your landing page is live. You can now share that link in your Instagram bio, DMs, or emails, and people can sign up or buy from you directly.